The world of literature is mourning the loss of a giant, Professor Ngugi wa Thiongo. The iconic Kenyan writer, scholar, and an outspoken defender of African languages and liberation has passed on. A fierce intellectual and a fearless voice against colonialism, Ngugi leaves behind a legacy that transcends generations. Born in Kamiritu, Kiambu County in 1938, Ngugi wa Thiongo grew up under the shadow of British colonial rule. His early experiences shaped the lifelong commitment to justice, language, and identity. He rose to prominence in the 1960s with novels like Weep Not Child and The River Between, which vividly captured the complexities of pre- and post-independence Kenya.
A little bit about the background. I had written a play and performed a play in Gikuyu language, performed by a community outside Nairobi, and the play was stopped on November 1977.
Exiled for decades, Ngugi taught in top universities across the globe, from Yale to the University of California. He remained a tireless advocate for colonizing the mind, a phrase that became both the title of his 1986 manifesto and the heart of his lifelong mission. He is gone, but not silent. Ngugi wa Thiongo lives on through the written word and through generations inspired to speak, write, and rise. On Watch Clinton Otieno, Kisii Hot TV.